Hey everyone, my name is Nathaniel. Today we're going to jump into the updates for May, starting with forms. So I have my form open here, and here's a question. Now, the options for this question can be custom, where I type in the answers, or dynamic. Dynamic, Mapline is going to select from a dataset in Mapline and display those as options for my question. Let's check it out. So here, I want my distribution centers dataset, and I want the name of all my stores. So now when someone visits this form, these will be all the options that they can select from. That's pretty cool. But that's not all. Maybe I don't want all the distribution centers listed on this question, only some of them. So I can use this filter, and the filter can be based on values, or I can use questions from my form or other metadata. So for example, maybe if they select the West region, it only shows West distribution centers. Or maybe it's only where the account owner equals whoever's opened up the form. All of that is now possible with Mapline Forms. Let's move to the map. On the left-hand sidebar here, you can see that I've got a data set named Home Depot Locations. Well, now, if I rename this, it only changes the name of this pin layer, not my data set. So you can have one data set added to a bunch of different maps, each time renaming that layer to be something else. That's pretty cool and allows for a lot more customization. You can now add dynamic data columns from objects created in a dashboard that don't exist in your library. Let me explain that. This map here is not in my map library. I created it in this dashboard. That means these territories only exist on this dashboard. But if I come over here, I can still add those territories to my data. I'll come up here to view data. I'm going to add which territory each location falls within. I'll click on territory data, my maps, and the map that I'll select is from my dashboard. So I'm going to type in the name of that map. And there it is, the Knocking Territories map from the Knocking API dashboard. That is pretty cool. And that's it for the month of May. May you find these useful. If you have any questions about these or you want to see them in action, don't hesitate to reach out. Otherwise, I'll see you in June.